Thank goodness, it's just you. Did you ever find Monk Gesho?
He's alive. And he took care of your payment.
Thank goodness. I told him not to trust anyone with a sword out here. Not you. You look very trustworthy.
Mm-hmm.
Can I interest you in some maps?
Time to go. Don't go picking any fights.
Haha, quite right.
What do we have here? Another wanderer like ourselves? Don't worry, we're not armed.
What's her name?
Shino, the most spoiled bear in the world. Mine is Toku. We were about to have a meal. You looked like you could use one. Now come, eat something.
Nothing out here comes for free.
Time is valuable. Give me a moment of yours, and it may be worth it for us both. A little girl used to live nearby, Mari. She loved playing with Shino, but she died a year ago. I wanted to leave a charm on her grave. I'm ashamed to say I sold it when things became dire last winter.
You want me to get it back?
And place it on Mari's grave. I have money. I can pay you.
Then why not get it yourself?
I sold the charm to a scavenger. Taro, something or other. I prefer to stay away from folks who spend their days among the dead. It pollutes the body.
Says the man who smells like a bear. No offense, Shino.
Taro tends to make camp by Dead Man's Tree. Keep to the mountains and go north. Mari's grave is at the edge of Tokachi Range.
I'll see what I can do.
Welcome to my humble shop.
It's nice.
It's a rock and a fire, but we all have to start somewhere.
Why set up here?
I need an easy place to spot for weary travelers. Stop making a name for myself.
Or to attract unwanted attention.
You're the one with a bounty, my friend. I am sure everything will be just fine.
I was actually looking for a charm. A man with a bear sold it to you?
Oh, yes. He didn't like me much, but I liked his bear. You can take it, if you got the coin.
Is that the same armor you gave me?
What's most likely?
Ah, you little...
Look over there! Lord Saito is looking for you. Very tempting. Here I come! What are you? Konyo, it can't be!
You have a light over there still?
I give up. You are going to regret this. That worm isn't even human. He spends his day digging through corpses.
How about you focus on me instead? I know the Kitsune is in Teshio Ridge. Tell me how to get there.
If you go there, you'll disappear, just like all the others.
Tell me.
Follow the Nupuro River as far north as it goes in the Nyoro wilds.
Go back to wherever you came from. No one bothers this kid again, or I will gut you myself.
You heard her?
Yes!
That was incredible.
You gave me stolen armor.
Is it really stealing if you do it to someone no one likes? Look, I'm not the one killing innocent people and leaving their corpses behind to burn under the sun. If anyone should be ashamed, it's Saito and his stupid lackeys.
You're right. We've all done things to survive.
People just like having someone to look down on.
Let them. You know who you are.
Thanks. I've gathered merchandise of all kinds. I got my hands on new merchandise. Only the best for my customers.
respect for the...
Hurry up!
Pay us, or you join them.
I have nothing.
Let's see what you're made of. She'll kill us all! You use two katanas?
That doesn't make you twice as strong.
Get ready!
Thank you, stranger. It is the mark of true evil to assault a father at his daughter's grave.
You're Mari's father?
How do you know that name?
Toku and Shino wanted me to bring this charm to her.
He's the reason my child lies beneath the ground. His bear tore through my little girl. We want nothing from him. Keep that charm and slit that animal's throat.
Toku, you should have told me the full story.
Ah, my friend. Were you able to find the charm?
Mari's father was at her grave. What happened?
Mari loved spending time with Shino. But her father thought very little of me. One day he came, angry and drunk, with a knife to my throat. Shino was just trying to protect me.
Mari got in the way.
Shino is not to blame. If Mari's father wants justice, kill me.
Even if I wanted to, I doubt Shino would let me.
You're right. She's dangerous as long as I'm around. I have to leave. Then Shino won't need to protect me anymore.
I won't stop you, but Shino might.
I can't stand goodbyes. Please break the news to her after I leave. And would you take care of her for me? Maybe feed her once in a while.
I can do that.
Thank you.
Come! Faster, Homura!
Greetings.
Dangerous out here. Never knowing who might come along. Pay me, and it all goes away.
I told you, we don't want your help.
Stranger, go find your own job. Wait a minute. Do I know you?
I'm on all the bounty posters. The woman who killed the snake. Care to join him?
I don't want any trouble.
Then leave. Never bother them again.
I don't have time for this. Come on, boy. These fools aren't worth the trouble.
Thank you. He wouldn't leave us alone. I wish I could pay you, but we have nothing to give.
Maybe you can help me with information instead. I'm looking for the Yotei 6.
A dangerous bunch. How can I help?
What do you know about the Oni?
He has a small army in Ishikari Plain. They're vicious and loyal. Call themselves the Oni Raiders. Last I heard, they were looking for a bomb maker in Otaru Hills.
A bomb maker. Sounds like someone worth talking to.
What money? I'm broke.
Tatsu put a bounty on you now. Pay up, or I take you in.
Shame on you, squeezing money out of a poor man. You, with the sword. How much to chase this lout away?
You just admitted you have no coin.
I have armor. Once worn by Lord Furia. Wear it, and every arrow will fly true. Like a dragonfly, hunting its prey.
Furia died at Sekigahara saving his men. How do you have his armor?
Probably stole it from his corpse.
Do you want the armor or not?
Walk away now and keep all your teeth.
This isn't over, Daijiro.
Now, about Lord Furia's dragonfly armor. I don't have it on me, but meet me at Furanui's Rest Inn, and I can get it for you.
Do not try to swindle me. You will regret it.
I won't! You have my word.
Scared to arrive. Everyone's head is worth a price.
Ah, my savior arrives.
I'm here for the armor you owe me.
Of course, but why stop at armor when there's going to be one at Zeni Hajiki?
Don't you already owe people money?
You mean Tatsu? He's just a sore loser. Come on, one game. Beat me, and you'll walk away a little richer.
Fine. But I get the armor either way.
I wouldn't dream of cheating you out of your reward. I'm a man of faultless character. We'll go around back. Mind the trunks.
You never said how you got Lord Furia's Dragonfly armor.
Did he really die saving his men?
They say he struck the Shogun's black powder supply with a single arrow. He burned alive in the blowback, but it almost cost the Shogun the war.
Everyone paid the cost of that war.
Zeni Hajiki. I think I remember how to play.
Zeni Hajiki is a game of patience and strategy.
So you'll teach me?
Help me set up the table. Pick a coin, and we'll start with the basics.
This one feels lucky.
That's what they all say. Now pick the other coin, and aim it back at this one.
I have my eye on it.
Perfect. Now flick that coin as hard as you can. Well done. If you hit a coin, you get to keep playing.
And if I miss, my opponent gets a turn.
You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that. So he loses his turn?
And remember, gently. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that. So he loses his turn?
And not so forceful. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off. My daughter has a gentle side. In Zeni Hajiki, you can only hit one coin at a time.
Right. Hit more than one.
Aim for the coin's side. Knock it toward the cup. In Zeni Hajiki, you can only hit one coin at a time.
Right.
You're taking to this well.
I'm ready for a real game.
You will be, after one final lesson. Pick a coin and choose wisely. Consider your first shot, and your next. Remember to think ahead. Pick a...
I'm ready for a real game.
You will be, after one final... So close.
I'm ready for a real game.
You will be. Good. Now what?
I take my next shot with the coin I just hit.
Try starting with a different coin.
I'm ready for a real game.
You will be, after one final lesson. Good. Now what?
I take my next shot with the coin I just hit. I did it!
Sometimes it pays to listen to your mother.
You still haven't answered my question.
How I got Lord Furia's Dragonfly armor? Why do you care? You're back. Ready to test your luck?
You didn't steal it from his grave, did you?
I have slept in graves, but never stolen from one.
People say Lord Furuya was a hero. If the armor was stolen, I don't need more people looking for a fight.
Hero? He was a coward who gambled with people's lives. I'm sorry. That was uncalled for.
Were you at Sekigahara?
Me? How about I just, get you that armor? Back in a moment!
Hey!
Gambling again, Daijiro?
Bounty hunters.
Hey! No! Let go of me! Help!
Where are you taking him?
To Tatsu. He gets the gambler, we get the bounty. This doesn't concern you.
It does if you want the Dragonfly armor!
Not sure it's worth the effort.
Please! Tatsu works for the Yotei 6! It won't be a quick death!
Let him go.
There has to be something I can do, I beg you!
Daijiro! Damn it, they're taking him away.
Julio! It can't! Julio! It can't!
There's a bounty on your head!
Close one.
Wait! Spare me!
You're too late! Daijiro will be halfway to Tatsu by now!
Where are they meeting him?
A camp near the waterfall!
Come, Homura.
Make a life, make a living.
This must be...
Here it comes!
Now to get Daijiro.
Am I glad to see you? Quickly, get these ropes off!
You'll be free soon.
Tatsu will arrive soon with more of Saito's men. I need to get out of Ezo.
With what mon?
I can win some.
Taijiro, they'll find you.
What do I do?
We'll lay a trap. You'll be the bait.
Come again?
We need to make a fire.
I am going to regret this, aren't I? This way. You know, dragonflies are supposed to be harbingers of victory. But that explosion at Sekigahara, I was far enough away to survive, not far enough to escape the screams of my men.
You're Lord Furuya. That's how you got the armor.
I will most likely die in this little ruse of yours. Someone might as well know. When the explosion went off, I saw only blood behind me and no future ahead. So I just ran.
Gambling won't take away the guilt.
He took everything else. Except my armor. I can't stand to look at it. I also couldn't bring myself to give it away.
Because it reminds you of the lives lost that day.
And my own cowardice.
Maybe today your luck will change. I'll take position on the cliffs above you. When Tatsu and his men arrive, distract them.
How do you expect me to do that? Give them a little dance?
Surprise me.
Surprise me, she says. Oh, I should have left Ezo when I had the chance.
I'm ready.
I see them. If I say maple tree, I'm in trouble.
Taichiro! You cowardly dog!
Tatsu, my friend! Let's talk about this.
Oh, we will. When I carve out your...
I can pay my dues. Your master, Lord Saito, he needs fighters, does he not? I'm Lord Furuya. Your master would do well to have me at his side.
A lowlife like you? A general? Don't insult me.
Then I will fight you, here and now! Get back! All the way back to that maple tree!
Maple tree? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I said maple tree! Maple tree! I'm hurt! Maple tree! Maple tree!
Here it comes! I have seen your face!
It's over. If I were still a lord, I'd ask you to join my ranks.
Tried that before. Didn't work out.
Aren't you full of mysteries? Meet me at Puranui's Rest for your payment. No games this time. It's over.
Have any armor that needs work?
Don't see many bounty hunters that look like you.
I can't do all this myself.
The deadliest woman in Ezo. Come, come. I cleaned the Dragonfly armor back to its old glory. And now, it is yours.
Are you sure?
Dragonflies are symbols of rebirth, as much as victory. I cannot go back to the man I was, but I can remake myself into someone I can be proud of. Besides, I saw the way you tore through Saito's men. Cheating you is bad for my lifespan.
I'll take good care of it.
Farewell, my friend. I hope I never see you again.
I was wondering what you were up to. Always good to see a friendly face in a strange place.
How's the tea around here?
It has the distinct texture of swamp water, with a tinge of unnecessary violence.
Welcome to Tokachi Range.
A fine choice.
Oh, see some more trouble.